I'm finna try this. Oreo. Oreo. Oreo.
Wait, you trying to go uptown or downtown? Uptown, downtown. I be fucking everywhere. She uptown, downtown, uptown, downtown.
Oh, nice. Bang, bang. Yup, yup.
Why the fuck are you bringing other people into our fucking problems? The fuck is wrong with you?
What the hell is going on?
You wonder why I left your ass, because you're fucking manipulative.
Manipulative.
Put down this phone. I've been seeing you all day. I'm tired of looking at your funny looking ass.
Yo, big, stupid, ragged ass. You got me fucked up. I'll murk your fuck.
It just blew my mind. Okay, let's do this.
What are we getting done?
I suck at holes in my ears.
Hi, I'm Chucky. Bitch. Hi. Hi. Play. Hi. Hi, I'm Chucky.
Back up! Everybody trying to back up!
Got my pregnant cheese, macaroni and cheese, soy water, cooking, 2 hot salt, put in my pickle, OG food.
See what I'm saying? How you gonna be on our team? You sleeping all out. Team, 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 you sleeping all out.
Good job, but yeah, I'm from New York, about an hour away, not too far on Long Island. So.
Oh, okay.
Yeah, I grew up here.
I had to go to Long Island the other day. That traffic was awful.
Yeah.
So is Tim Duncan bisexual?
Get out my oven. Go to your room.
I like to drink with grandma because grandma is my mate. I like to drink with grandma because she gets you daddy 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Okay, grandma.
I like to drink with Deja, because Deja is my granddaughter. 5. I like to drink with Deja, because Deja is my mate. I like to drink with Deja, because Deja is my granddaughter.
Oh, they made me read book. I could read a book so quick. Like I could read 1,000 books in a fucking week.
You could do that?
Yeah, because I was like trained to read.
Damn, and because of that, they put you in special ed?
Well, in special ed, they train you. It's special ed.
Oh, okay.
So you get talents that nobody else gets in the school because you're special ed.
Because I will be committing suicide. I'm still a badass bitch. I'm fine as fuck. And I ain't looking for nothing but y'all bitches niggas.
Hey, boy, hold on, wait a minute.
I can't go by.
Level 2.
Fuck no.
You'd be a Hall of Fame Domino's pizza worker. I feel the win. I feel the win. That's what I'm
saying.
One finger?
No, hell no.
Quick update, my family put me in the hospital, sectioned 8 me, section 12, whatever the fuck. I'm completely fine. Trump, I know you're in Florida talking to a psychic. Every time you say my name, I can feel you in my head. I can feel you talking my name. Keep my name out of your mouth.
Why my nuggets say sausage? And you know the dude was Rainbow who fixed the food. I've been holding on to hope that you'll come back when you can find some peace. 'Cause every word that I've ever spoken since you left feels like I'm holding the street. Girl, I know you want that dick. Girl, I know you want that dick. Girl, I know you want that dick. Girl, I know you want that dick.
Girl, I know you want that dick.
Nah, she got you blushing, twin. Oh hell no, twin. You gotta lock up, twin, bro. This not even you, twin. On phone on grade, bro.
It's a female? She's wearing a green,
Tell them I'll be here when they arrive, that I will be waiting for them to arrive.
My favorite cheat day meal.
Fried chicken.
Chicken!
No.
Chicken fried steak.
No.
And mashed potatoes
Mexican food.
Angel. She want to put. Why are you putting chicken on that man?
Chicken fried steak, chicken nuggets, chicken tenders. Oh, I don't know, chicken noodle soup.
I'm like, baby, how you doing? I'm trying to roll with you.
Annie, what'd you get to eat?
Just a salad. Do you want some more water?
Yeah, if you don't mind.
Dude, it's sketchy out here. I don't have to walk back through there.
I mean, why'd you come here?
I came here to see you guys. You said I could come with you.
Bro, it tastes like sweet finish. It tastes like sweet finish.
So this absolute sicko is pretending to be an 8-year-old boy, and he thinks he's trying to hang out with another 8-year-old boy. So we're going to lure him here and maybe question his behavior.
It's gonna get what's coming on.
Okay, he just texted me he's here. We're gonna get this creep.
You need to.
Bye bye. Abate manye. You know what I'm saying? Like the beat go hard. Like when he hit that boom bye ya. Baba bata manye.
Are you Jadarius Jones?
Yes, sir.
All right, I have read the arrest and booking report. I do find there to be probable cause for the 4 charges against you. I am going to appoint the public defender's office to represent you. Mr. Jones, you've been charged with 3 separate counts of second-degree murder. You've also been charged with a separate count of armed robbery. You.
I'm forming my own cloud here.
So if you come in and my dogs attack you,
your dog's not gonna attack me. They soft as butter. I've already been in there with the dogs.
You've been in my house.
We were actually. I was in your house. Yes. The dog ran on the couch and started watching TV.
I bet.
Yeah.
Good night, y'all. I'm finna, go fight some crime. Nah, I'm lying. I'm not finna go fight no crime. I'm actually finna go to sleep. Might beat my meat. Probably, I might smoke. I don't know. Might beat my meat, then smoke. Might smoke, then beat my meat. I don't know. Before I go, gotta check the database, though. Make sure ain't no niggas out there, fucking my bitch.
Cool. We just friends and you tripping.
So all friends kiss?
Yes.
So friends kiss?
Yes.
Hold up. Let me kiss one of y'all and see how you like it.
You're not gonna kiss
Let me
nobody
kiss
out
one
here?
of y'all and see how you like it.
You're not gonna kiss nobody out here.
I'm not gonna kiss nobody
Nope,
out here?
you're not gonna kiss nobody out here.
Oh, is that what you think?
No, you're not gonna kiss nobody out here.
Come here, let me kiss you. Now
what?
what?
So what it is? Oh, so you kissing my girl, man? You kissing my girl, man?
Get out.
Name is Shaky. Shaky, I'm gonna kiss you when you're cheeky.
Fuck that bitch.
In the bills, that's a bad bitch for you.
Middle finger to my haters, all you bitch jealous. Fuck y'all. Been knew I was that bitch, I didn't need a man to tell me. Two.
Oh, no. Oh, hello. Wow.
Is red hot chili peppers a slang word for homosexual?
Where he's at now,
Where is that?
in Connecticut, overseas.
Okay. Overseas in Connecticut.
That's what he said he moved to Connecticut.
Okay.
You have them do it there with your daddy? Get some chicken, some cookie, ice cream, next.
I don't want no thought. Thought is a bitch, you can't get no love from me. Hanging with the other little hoes in the best friend code. Trying to fuck the 10. I don't want no thought. Thought is a bitch, you can't get no love from me.
is wrong.
What kind of drive you like?
See? He comes. Get the fuck out of here! He keeps on getting near me. That's how weird he is. It's freaking stupid. Get the.
Ooh.
Mm-hmm. Get it.
Those are good.
No sugar. It's keto.
No.
No sugar.
What?
No sugar.
These are no sugar.
No sugar.
They don't even have that no sugar taste.
I
you
know. Mm-hmm.
You can usually taste like aspartame or something
We
like
hate
that.
that taste here. Try lemonade.
Wait, can I have the rest?
Yeah, you can have all of them, and I can make as many as you want. More flavors.
These are so good. And like,
are they sour enough?
Lingang guli 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 water lingang.
happy birthday to you. Happy birthday.
No, not Blanco.
I got 2 words for you. Steve Nash and Chris Paul. Must see TV.
That's more than 2 words.
You didn't say 2 words. You said quick to the point.
You just said I got 2 words. Steve Nash and Chris Paul must see.
See, that's why I messed up, because I was trying to think of 2 words. I could have said that. Okay.
2 words.
Nash and Paul.
That's 3 words.
That's 3 words. Wait, I said Nash and
I got
Paul.
one. Nothing. How do you jerk off?
Well, I can't reach this one. All I can do is get hard.
I want to make you come. But,
Hungry? I eat all day. Oh! Fuck! Come on, bro. Watch out, bro. Fucking up the Chinese food, bro. What you doing?
You said I look like who?
You recording?
Yeah.
Yo, tell everybody DM this man and tell him he look like Selena Gomez.
I look like Selena Gomez. Me.
Which one? I got $10 and $15. This.
Let me see what the $10 scale looks like.
Oh no, that's the $10 scale.
That's the $10 scale?
Yeah.
How much is the $15 scales?
The what?
How much is the $15 scales?
How many you want?
I want one.
Which one?
The $15 scales.
You want $15 scale?
And I'm saying how much is the $15 scales?
Bitch is 15. What the fuck you mean? How much $15 scale?
How much? How?
Okay.
Much?
Okay.
Is a $15 scale?
So beautiful, but damn, look at my fucking forehead. Fuck. That motherfucker on swole mode. Gotta go.
Yeah,